Now all that's left to do is to fasten down the subs and test it, see what it sounds like. We're getting real close. Alright, the only thing left to do now that the subs are in is to take a quick little listen. Then we'll throw it in his truck and start thinking about the amp rack. Look at that. No, thank you, Bobby Gately. I enjoyed putting 64 screws in these 4 speakers. That was so much fun. The plan is to run one of these on each pair, as I've said in previous videos, but we're gonna just see how this thing sounds, what the tone sounds like right now. We're gonna put this up in series. That's right, subs are in series, they're parallel back together. Now we're gonna series them again just so we can run everything off this one amp. That'll be back to 1.4 ohms. It won't be full power, but it'll be all 4 subs playing. And then we'll run this whole thing in series just to hear all 4 subs. Start out with a little bit of... All right, to run this box in series, we got a positive from that amp going to the positive of this terminal, the negative going to that terminal, and then we're gonna run a jumper from this negative to that positive. 1.4 ohms, just for testing. If I did this right, I should be able to hear some sound right now. And I do. Before we do any of this, we'll calibrate this MSG. Now we're looking for that minimum. Should lock on. Yep. 28 hertz. We locked in. There you have it. She's tuned to 28 hertz. That's nice. That's right in the range we wanted to be. I think I wanted to be somewhere near 30, but 28 is awesome too. Let's hook up that amp and get these speakers moving just for fun. Then they're going in the Yukon. Hey, how's that sound over by the port? Is it moving a lot of air? Hey, the only small issue we're having right now is that pallet is flapping and the cart that it's sitting on is rattling. $15 hertz. 10 hertz. This thing's officially ready to play. Speakers are in, they're moving, they're not making any noise. The cart's making noise and so is that pallet, but everything's good to go. Now, I'm not able to push these subs all the way out of the baskets like I usually do in my videos, but that's because we have one 8500 watt amp on all 4 speakers at 1.4 ohms. So that's probably like 5,000 or 6,000 watts divided by 4. These speakers handle about 5,000 watts a piece. So an 8500 on that pair and an 8500 on the other pair at 0.7 instead of 1.4. And we should be looking at like, I don't know, 9,000 per pair. It's gonna be real nice. So stay tuned. That's barely up, man. That's barely up. Hey, is that tone on point or what? I'm on the backside. I'm not even over here by the port.
It's a quick 9.6, that's almost 10 mil. And I ain't overnight shit, I'm in the back of the Maybach. The first class lay flat. I hit the powder if it tastes. Roll a gram of Skittles in a great wood.
It's real hard to explain what this sounds like in here. It's got an excellent tone to it. It's not making any mechanical noise at all. It's basically slamming, and it's only on like a quarter of the power that it's gonna have. From where I'm standing, it's a total success so far. Need to get the amp rack going, get this thing powered up with its real power. We're gonna find out real quick what it sounds like. So far, so good.
I just got a text from my mama, said she proud of me. Sitting at the table for the shooting gang, time to eat.
Hey, I gotta try something. It's been a long time since we've done this together. Anthony, come here, bud, real quick. Don't make me find the old video. I gotta dig deep and find it. Hey, we're gonna go way back, bud. Here's some paper. This is not scripted at all. Anthony didn't even know I was calling him, but I'm gonna bump this beat and you're gonna put that paper by the port. Remember when you were little and we had 418s? So let's see if it's strong enough to rip this paper apart, first of all. Now remember, this is only 2 woofers out of 4. Well, let's see if this thing can rip paper with 1 amp at 1.4 ohms instead of 2 amps at 0.7 ohms, which is going to be ridiculous. So hang on a second. You want to try it or what?
Right. Good person. I love a lot of people, man.
Oh. Yeah. Easy money. What do you think, KK? Is that loud or what? All right, we're out of here for now.